Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this video, I will show you how to make light shining animation effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, open your project. We will use glowing white light that moves across your clip to create that shining height look. Now go to project panel and click new item icon and select adjustment layer. Drag the adjustment layer above your clip on the timeline. Now go to Effect panel and search for 4 color gradients. Drag into your adjustment layer. Then open the Effect control panel. Change all 4 colors to white. This gives you bright and soft light. Now under the blending mode, change it to screen so it blends nicely with your video. To make it move like shining light, use keyframes on the position setting. Move the gradient from left to right across your clip using keyframes that create the smooth light sweep animation. And that's how you have created a smooth light shining animation effect in Premiere Pro. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.